Hey there. If you're an ESTP personality type, or you know someone who is, then you know that this type is known for their spontaneous, risk-taking nature and their love of adventure. But with every personality type comes a set of unique habits and quirks. In this video, we'll be exploring 10 weird habits that all ESTP personality types have. So if you're an ESTP, or you just want to learn more about this personality type, make sure to stick around and hit that subscribe button. Habit number 1, constantly seeking out new experiences. ESTPs are known for their desire for adventure and novelty. They are often impulsive and spontaneous, and they thrive on the thrill of trying new things. This personality type is known for taking risks and seeking out exciting opportunities, whether it's trying a new hobby, going on a spontaneous trip, or trying a new food. ESTPs are driven by their desire for novelty, and are always looking for ways to shake things up and keep things interesting. This can lead them to develop some unusual and unexpected habits, such as pursuing extreme sports or seeking out unique and off-the-beaten-path travel destinations. However, their desire for new experiences also means that ESTPs are open-minded and adaptable, and they are often willing to try new things and embrace new challenges. Habit number 2, impulsive decision-making. ESTPs are individuals who are driven by their desire for excitement and adventure. They thrive on the rush of taking risks and living in the moment. This impulsiveness can lead to some impulsive decisions and choices, as ESTPs often act on their instincts without fully considering the consequences. This tendency to follow their gut can lead to both positive and negative outcomes. On one hand, it can result in some bold and exciting decisions that bring a sense of thrill and adventure to ESTPs' lives. On the other hand, it can also lead to hasty choices that may not be well thought out and could have negative consequences. For example, an ESTP may jump into a new relationship without fully considering the long-term implications, or they may make a big financial investment on a whim without thoroughly researching the risks and potential returns. These types of impulsive decisions may bring some excitement in the short term, but they can also lead to regret and difficulties down the road. Overall, ESTPs are known for their bold and adventurous nature, and their impulsiveness is a key part of their personality. While this tendency can lead to some impulsive choices, it also allows ESTPs to live in the moment and embrace the thrill of taking risks. Habit number 3, struggling with long-term planning. ESTPs, or extrovert, sensing, thinking, perceiving individuals, are known for their ability to adapt quickly to new situations and think on their feet. They are often spontaneous and enjoy living in the moment. However, this tendency towards living in the present can sometimes cause difficulties when it comes to long-term planning. ESTPs may struggle with committing to a specific career path or making long-term financial decisions. They may prefer to keep their options open and not be tied down to one specific path. This can lead to a lack of stability and a feeling of being constantly on the go. In order to better handle long-term planning, ESTPs may need to work on developing their planning and decision-making skills. This may involve seeking out guidance from others or taking the time to carefully consider their options before making a decision. It may also be helpful for ESTPs to focus on finding ways to balance their love of novelty and adventure with the need for stability and security. By finding a healthy balance between the two, ESTPs can more easily make informed, long-term decisions that align with their personal goals and values. Habit number 4, struggling with following rules and routines. ESTPs are highly independent individuals who value their freedom and autonomy. They do not like being restricted by rules or routines, and may have a hard time following a strict schedule or adhering to rules that they perceive as unnecessary or overly restrictive. This can lead to some unexpected and unconventional habits, as ESTPs often prefer to take a more spontaneous and improvisational approach to life. They may be more likely to engage in risky or unconventional activities, and may be seen as rebellious by those who value tradition and order. Despite this, ESTPs are often respected for their ability to think outside the box and to come up with innovative solutions to problems. They are generally highly adaptable and able to adapt to new situations quickly, which can make them valuable members of any team or organization. Habit number 5, being overly competitive. ESTPs are competitive by nature and love to be challenged. They may have a habit of always trying to one-up their friends and colleagues, or constantly seeking out new competitions to participate in. Habit number 6, being spontaneous and unpredictable. ESTPs are known for their spontaneous and unpredictable nature. They may have a habit of making last-minute plans or changing their minds at the drop of a hat. This can be exciting and spontaneous for those around them, but it can also be frustrating for those who prefer more structure and predictability. Habit number 7, being direct and blunt. ESTPs are straightforward and blunt in their communication style. They don't beat around the bush and may have a habit of speaking their minds without considering the feelings of others. This can lead to some unexpected and sometimes controversial conversations. Habit number 8, being restless and restless. ESTPs are always on the go, seeking new adventures and experiences. They are highly energetic and thrive in fast-paced environments where they can use their quick thinking and problem-solving skills. However, they can become easily agitated when they are forced to sit still or stay in one place for too long. They may start fidgeting or pacing as a way to release their pent-up energy and keep themselves entertained. This constant need for movement and excitement can make ESTPs seem impulsive or reckless at times, as they may act on their impulses without fully thinking things through. They may also struggle with long-term planning or commitment, as they prefer to live in the present and take things one day at a time. Despite these tendencies, ESTPs are incredibly driven and resourceful individuals who are always looking for ways to make the most out of life. They bring a sense of excitement and enthusiasm to any situation, and are always looking for ways to have fun and enjoy the moment. Habit number 9, struggling with expressing their emotions. ESTPs may have a hard time expressing their emotions and may struggle with deep, emotional conversations. They may have a habit of avoiding emotionally charged topics or brushing from difficult conversations. Habit number 10, being adventurous and thrill-seeking. ESTPs are always on the lookout for new and thrilling experiences. They are known for their love of adventure and their desire to push the boundaries. They may be drawn to extreme sports, such as bungee jumping or skydiving, or they may seek out more traditional forms of adventure, such as traveling to exotic locations or taking on challenging physical activities. Despite the potential risks involved, ESTPs are not afraid to take chances and embrace the unknown. They are driven by their desire for novelty and excitement, and are always looking for ways to add more excitement to their lives. They may have a reputation for being reckless or impulsive, but this is simply a reflection of their natural curiosity and thirst for new experiences. Overall, ESTPs are fearless and daring individuals who are always looking for new ways to challenge themselves and break out of their comfort zone. Whether they are seeking out new thrills or exploring uncharted territory, they are always up for a good adventure. Thank you for watching our video on the weird habits of ESTP personality types. We hope you enjoyed learning about the quirks and characteristics of this personality type. If you're an ESTP or know someone who is, let us know in the comments which of these habits resonated with you the most. We strive to create engaging and informative content for our audience, and we appreciate your support in helping us grow our channel. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing, sharing it with your friends, and giving it a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you in the future. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.